Let's delve into the world of real estate investing, aiming for the lucrative returns. But how realistic is it? Real estate investing is often touted as a path to handsome profits. However, it's crucial to understand its inherent risk-reward profile. Returns can be substantial and are often, but they're not guaranteed. One major benefit is the potential leverage. You can use borrowed money to acquire assets. This can amplify your returns, but also amplify your losses dramatically. It's also a relatively illiquid asset. It can take time to convert it into cash compared to stocks. On the downside, real estate requires significant capital upfront, down payments, closing costs, and potential renovations. Unexpected expenses, such as repairs or vacancies, can eat into profits. Market fluctuations present another challenge. Property values can rise and fall, influenced by economic cycles and local market conditions. Then there is the matter of actively managing and maintaining properties. So, is real estate a reliable gold mine? It's more nuanced. It can be very lucrative. However, it is not a get-your-quick scheme. It needs diligent research, calculated risk-taking, and consistent efforts for long-term gains. In conclusion, real estate investing demands careful consideration. Assess your financial situation, conduct thorough due diligence, and understand the inherent risks and rewards. Before diving in with proper planning and management, the rewards can be substantial.